Okay, Santa, this is what I want for Christmas. I want you to have 2 teeth and a little bit of hair and learn how to cut your own fingernails. Think you could do it? Why didn't you tell me? Bianca. Bianca, what do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas, little Santa Jr.? You looking for something? Yeah? Say, Santa baby, put a present under the tree for me. Santa baby, yeah, hurry down the chimney tonight. Yeah? Come on, tell me something. Say hi, Grammy. Say hi to Grammy. Yeah? What's that? Is that your favorite toy? Yeah. You gonna talk to me? Or you getting camera shy? Are you getting camera shy? You getting camera shy? Is that funny? Yeah. Now you're grabbing your toy by yourself. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, you trying to chew it? Good job. You do a baby push-up? Oh, yummy. Oh, blub, blub. Is that funny? Yeah, you little bald eagle, you. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Can you grab it? Can you grab it? Good job. Good job. Oh, it chews so good. Such a good chewer. Oh, yes. You hold it. You hold it.